So I just realized that we did not do one like number 7 yesterday. It was only like number 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do number 7 because this is an undefined slope. And how do you know that it's undefined? Because the line is vertical. It's up and down. This is not a function, so this is undefined slope. Okay? And then the B is the y-intercept. Well, it never crosses the y-axis, so it doesn't have any. None. Okay, but it crosses the x-axis at, right here, 3. So that's why it's an x-equal line at 3. Okay, x-equal line at 3. But I still, instead of equal, I cannot put equal here because we're shading to the right. All of these are greater than. See, if I go to the right, my numbers get bigger. If I go to the left, my numbers get smaller. So bigger numbers means greater than. Okay? And it's a solid line. The line is solid. So it's greater than or equal to. So the symbol that we're going to use is greater than or equal to. We're going to use it right here because we shaded to the greater numbers. We shaded to the right. It's not above the line or below the line. It's to the right, directly to the right. And those are greater numbers. Okay? So that's the only difference between number 7 and number 8. Number 8 is still like yesterday's problem. So again, number 8, you can go back and look at the video. This is a 0 slope. It's not the same as number 7. Okay?